section. In the practice manual, it is many a times ignored. Section 49, taxability. In case the asset is transferred to the SSC by inheritance or by father, mother, etc., then the period of holding, the period that we are holding, I'll make you understand what is this period of holding. Then period of holding should be taken from the previous owner. In this, just the asset is transferred in the name of the son or the daughter, so there is no real transaction. There is no real transaction. The son is not paying to father, either the daughter is not paying to the father or mother, so it's not that thing. Just it's a transfer. So while calculating our index cost of acquisition, we have to take the period of holding, the period of holding from previous owner rather than current holding date at which asset was transferred to the SSC. I hope you are understanding what it is. So in this section, cost, the rate, the cost, if you remember, index cost of acquisition. I hope I have taught you all index cost of, I have taught you all. See, the asset was purchased for 10 lakh. So while taking this index cost of acquisition, the cost of purchase, the cost of acquisition, from old owner, period of holding old owner, that is previous owner, P owner, previous owner, and indexation will be also from previous owner. What is the benefit of this? See, if you assume you have purchased the asset, your father has purchased the asset for 1 lakh, and you have today's, it is current year's index is 1081, and then 100, it has been purchased on 148100. So what will be the amount? 1081 into 1 lakh divided by 100. So you are getting an exemption of exemption means index cost of acquisition as 10,81,000, and you have sold the asset for say 20 lakhs. So 20 lakhs FVOC less transfer expenses dash 20 lakhs net consideration less index cost of acquisition less index cost of improvement. Index cost of acquisition that we have got 10,81,000 less, it is 0. 20 lakhs minus 10,81,000 comes to rupees 9,19,900. On this, it might be a gross long term capital gain, or it can be net long term capital gain also. The SSC is not willing to purchase another asset under section 54 or whatever sections I have given you. Section 54, then 54F, because he is selling all the asset. So only if he is purchasing a residential house property, only two sections will be applicable, section 54 and section 54F. So what is the advantage of this? If the holding is taken from the previous owner, so this holding was taken from the previous owner, but the transfer, it was the purchased by the old owner in 1481, but the transfer was done on say 1/4/1995. In 1995, the indexation rate has changed for the base. That is, but the current year index is 1081. The base has changed. Assuming, because I am not having the chart right now, I have to search in the book. But the index rate are given in the question, so don't worry. It is 1995. Assuming it has 800. Assuming at 800. So then we'll get index cost of acquisition as 1 lakh into 1081 divided by 800. So we are getting index cost of acquisition as what? 135125. So this much less, because only this much, but amount has not changed because the transfer is done at 1 lakh. The cost of acquisition for the owner has changed to 1 lakh, but the period of holding has changed now. So if the asset in 1995 would have purchased for 1 lakh, the current purchase would have been this. So it is right as per the calculation. So there was a case law on this. That is the case of Manjulal Jesha, which was further held by Bombay High Court. It was decided that indexation will be taken by the previous owner. So if you are understanding this, 20 lakhs less net consideration, 20 lakhs less 1,35,125 less that index cost of acquisition, whatever it is, 20 lakhs minus 135125. You have to pay the tax of long-term capital gain on this at the rate of 20%. So what do you think is more beneficial? I hope you are saying this is more beneficial because you have to pay less tax. If you are calculate on this, you have to pay 3,72,975 on this 91900 into 20%. You have to pay only 1,38,800. 83,800. So you are understanding, you have to pay less tax over here. Sorry, you have to pay less tax over here rather from here. So if you have understood what it is, so it is advisable to take index cost of acquisition from the previous owner, not from the current owner. You understand this? Let's write in fair. I want you to copy this. Period of holding should be taken from the previous owner and this much. If you want to copy all this, that's your wish. I'm keeping it over here. Pause the video and copy. I hope you have copied. If you want to copy, please copy it down. And the most important thing, if you do this, if indexation you take from the previous owner, you have to write this statement. In case of Manjulal Jesha, which was further held by Bombay High Court, it was decided that indexation would be taken from previous owner only. Owner only. In the practice manual, while solving the sum, the indexation is not taken from the previous owner. They take it from the current owner, and in the notes they write alternatively, in case of Manjulal Jesha, it was further held by Bombay High Court. I want you all to do what? You do this first, and in alternative you take from current owner, and so alternately you can take from current owner also. But as per Manjulal Jesha, it has been given that we have to take the indexation from the previous owner, cost of acquisition, period of holding, indexation from previous owner only. Please write in fair if you want. Should I write in fair? Wait, I'll write in fair for you all. Taxability, section 49, cost, previous owner, period of holding, previous owner, indexation, previous owner. I hope you have understood the section 49. Our sections the violations. I hope you have understood. There is miscellaneous section for capital gain left that I'll complete in the next lecture. Till then, bye. I hope you are liking my videos. As per the comments, I am seeing that people are liking my videos and they want me to upload more. If you want me to upload more, if you want me to encourage, please share my videos. Put a like at least, that the least you can do, and comment something for me that may encourage me to do more videos for y'all. Thank you, bye.